There's 7 different kinds of voices that vie or contend for your attention and mine all the time. The first one is the voice of God. That's the one we're to listen to. The other voices are the ones that contend for your time and your interest. The voice of Satan is number 2. The voice of the world is number 3. The voice of the flesh is number 4. The voice of the soul is number 5. The voice of the dead is number 6. And the voice of religion is possibly the most diabolical, deceiving voice of them all, that seeks to ensnare you and take you out of right relationship with Jesus.